How to change the cycle of a driver in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Click on Drivers to access more options. Under Drivers, select the Drivers option to change the cycle of a driver. The active list displays drivers active in the last 7 days. The inactive list shows drivers inactive in the last 7 days. Look for the driver you want to make changes for and click the Edit icon under the Action column. Click on Cycle Info. Select the desired cycle type for your driver from the drop-down list. Please note that the driver should be online on their TruckX driver's logbook app to make these changes. Once the cycle is selected, click on Save. The cycle will be changed and updated for the driver now.